What up? Yeah, we in the middle of this Irma shit. I got my my hurricane kit. We ain't really look at this bullshit. They just make you spend fucking money, and then that government switched the fucking forecast and made you spend all your bread. It's a setup, nigga. It's a setup. I'm out here though. Whoop de fucking do. Whoop de fucking do. Y'all want a tour? Let's take a fucking tour. Let's take a tour of this bullshit here. Yo, it says it's a tornado. A tornado supposed to be coming like west of us, going 35 miles an hour. Don't fucking look like it to me. Let's see, hold up. Oh shit, maybe it do. I'm out this bitch. I hear a lot of rumbling. It's alright, I got me, hurricane kit. I'm good. Couple things twisted. Let me see behind me. Yeah, wind picking up a little bit, but ain't shit. But check that shit out. Damn, nigga, that's about to come down. Side though. You got insurance? I'ma fake some shit. Shit. All this bread nigga go spending and shit. It's that bullshit. Look at that shit though. That cloud don't look good at all. I'm gonna let my kids out during the hurricane and say they got lost. Alright. We'll go back in here and get my shit together. Alright, over and out.